Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about digital products and services, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify in the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. You can just skip all this if you want. So now wait a few seconds to build in this store. The first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change the themes if you want and customize them on your homepage store. So here you can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this theme. Now wait a few seconds to install in the theme. Once your theme is installed, go here, publish, and click on it. Now you can customize it on your home page. So click here, customize. It will take you to your home page store. So the first here we have the style of your home page. You can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here we find the first we find the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. Also, you can turn this on, auto change announcements. You can enable country and region selector. Also, you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. You can pass the link or search for collections. You can select, for example, I'm gonna choose all collections. Let's get back and let's move on to the header section. Here you can change the desktop logo position. You can also change the main menu. You can remove it or change it. You can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header, and also you can show separator line. You can change the color scheme. You can change the menu color scheme. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. You can manage the mobile layout, the mobile logo position. Here you can manage the section padding. So that's it. Now let's move on to the theme settings where you can manage them if you want. You can enable search suggestions. Here you can put your social media links, Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want, like Facebook or YouTube, TikTok. So whatever you want to add of links. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select your logo from your library, or for example, let's search on it on the browser. Digital products and services. And services logo ideas. So that's it. So for example this, of course you're gonna upload your own logo from your library, not this is just for example. Now this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it at any time you want. So that's it. Here you can edit the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the slideshow. Here you can edit the layout, the slide height. You can also edit the pagination style. You can also auto rotate slides. You can edit the animations, the accessibility. So that's it. Now let's move on to the slide. Here you can select an image from your browser, for example. So for example, You can generate the heading. Here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. So for example, digital products. Click here. Here you can change the heading size. You can generate the subheading. Also you can change the button label and the button link. You can use outline button style. Here you can manage the desktop content position. You can also show container on desktop. You can change the color scheme. So that's it. So let's get back and let's move on to the featured collection section. Here you can change the heading, just describe like always digital product like this. So here you can generate anything you want. Also here you can manage the heading size. You can do like this. You can just describe what the text is about, or you can just add your description from your own writing. Here you can show collection description from the admin. Also you can manage this description style. You can change the collection or create your own collection. You can make product full width. You can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. Also you can enable carousel on desktop. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, you can, if you want to add something new, just click here and select any section you want. For example, image banner or image with the text, as you like and as you should. Now let's get back to the next section, the last section of the website, the footer. Here you can edit the email sign up. You can change the color scheme. You can make section full width. You can change the section padding. So that's it. Now after you're done from designer website, now all you have to do, click here save, and now let's get back to the home page, the dashboard. So let's go to the home, and now next step is name your store. After you customizing your online store, now you're gonna name it. Click here. So here you can name your store, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, and now you can change, here you can change your store email. So that's it. Now save this and let's move on. So now after you add your custom domain, after you add the sharing details, now all you have to do is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.